Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my horizontal classic size happy planner that I use for journaling. My journaling this year has been kind of hit and miss, but I still do like to look back on the weeks that I do fill in or the days that I do fill in my journal. So we're going to use Harvest Wishes. So this will be the last week this year that I actually use fall stickers, except for maybe Thanksgiving. I'm going to use Thankful and Blessed, and I'm probably going to actually decorate my November monthly with these as well. But if you haven't got these are available in my shop. All stickers are 50% off, no quote or no code needed. And I just remembered that in the last video I just filmed, my catch-all, I forgot to use a quote. So we're going to try to remember to use quotes in this spread. So anyways, Harvest Wishes. Love these stickers. They're all-time favorites of mine. I did redesign my boxes from this year to match because these are actually from, I think, the year before last. I've also picked out a couple washi tapes that I'm going to try to incorporate into the spread. So let's go ahead and do my norm and lay down some boxes. If I can get this one off the page. So I think we're just going to kind of come down here. Actually, I want to try to lay a quote down in that corner. And I'm not even going to white out any lines. Let's just be not too concerned with lines this week. And then I'm going to lay down two vertical boxes on the other side. So I think I'm going to come down lower than I did on the right-hand side page. And I think we're going to kind of do this thing here. So I'm actually doing something totally out of my norm whenever I'm laying down boxes first. It's just not something that I normally do. I should have used Hello Sweater Weather because I used Sweater Weather stickers on that spread for my catch-all. But anyways, I think we're going to use Hello Sweater Weather. Actually, I'm going to do Pumpkin Spice Everything down at the bottom. If you have not seen my new winter and Christmas release sneak peeks, go back to my channel and look for those videos. There's two videos. There's a sticker sneak peek. There's 10 new sticker designs. I'll show you real quick. We have 2 new quotes for winter and then 10 new sticker designs. So there's a complete kind of flip through video on these. If you'll scroll back or go back on my channel and find that video to see the new winter releases that are available now in my shop. Of course, like I said, 50% off. And then there's also an insert video. I have some new inserts available in my shop. So that's the second video. And then I also have a setup video where I set up my planner for the rest of 2024 using new covers and inserts from my shop. So if you have not seen those, make sure to go watch them. I'm actually going off the page here with this box, and I don't like it. So we're going to just scrap that idea. I don't like that. So I kind of tore my page, but I'm going to put a decorative sticker here. And actually, I'll probably just go ahead and stick a little gnome up there just because, to try to cover that up. This is, these stickers are back from when I was on my gnome kick. And, we were really loving gnomes over here in Pleasantly Planned Land for a long time, for a good couple years. Haven't done any gnomes lately. Y'all let me know in the comments if you are missing the gnomes. We could always bring them back. I think I'm going to put this little truck down here. It's really cute. I think we're going to kind of go off the page so that I can cut the bottom a little bit like that. All right, and I'm probably going to add more boxes. I don't know if I already said that or not, but I'm probably going to add more boxes as we go. We'll see. I think I'm going to do 2 little pumpkins right here, but we're going to trim them to lay flat on this box. Love it. Perfect. Okay, and then what else are we going to do? I think I'm going to take a little mug and put down in the bottom of this box. just because it's cute. And then I think I'll take this mug, put in the bottom of this box, just because it's cute. All right, and then let's do this little gnome guy over on this side. It's going to cover up a little bit of the date, but I'm okay with that. So we'll put him down here. All right, and then what else can we do? I think I'm going to take this pumpkin and place it right in the center there. All right, love that. And then let's go, let's fill in with a couple more boxes. So why don't we take a brown box and kind of go like right here. And then we can take this and lay on top of the brown box. Super cute. And then we'll take we're going to take another brown box actually and kind of lay it right here. I take this and go beside it. All right, love it. It's so cute. Okay, and then over on this side, I don't know if I'm going to do another box or not. I might actually do a smaller, just like a little quarter size box. I think we'll do the orange. And I think we're going to kind of place it closer so that these are a tiny bit staggered. And then we're going to lay this little clock with the pumpkins on top. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, and then let's try to fill in with some washi. So we'll lay these to the side. I did want to do another quote though. So why don't we do pumpkin season? Try pumpkin season and see if we can get it to fit in here. I think we're going to cover up Monday, but that's okay. All right, love it. Okay, now let's fill in with some washi. So what I'm going to do with this washi is just kind of put it on the lines. So let's start with the orange. And we're just going to put it on the lines between the days. Sometimes I wish I did this before I laid my stickers down, but that's hard to do because I don't really know what I'm going to lay where. So this has some little gold flecks in it. It's really cute. All right, I like this a lot already. So now let's do some brown. I think I'm going to do some of the brown up here. Love it. It's so cute. And then I'm going to do some brown down at the bottom. I'm not even using my X-Acto to cut this. I know it's not perfect, but I'm trying to break that perfectionism that I've got going on. Look how cute this is. The washi just makes it just so pretty. I almost feel like I want to get one more color washi to do this line and this line. So let me see what I can find in my stash. Okay, so I found this one. This is a kind of a lightish green, I don't know, pale green color that matches this vase pretty well. So let's just see what it looks like. This washi should be linked in the description within the Amazon Skinny Washi. It was a big set. And I went with the gold, the one with the gold foil, just because the other ones have gold foil in them. So I kind of wanted to be similar. Yeah, this is super cute. All right, let's just keep going here. And then I think I might take a little bit of this washi and put it inside some of the boxes, just so we have a little bit more of this color on the spread. Like maybe up top here. And then maybe some in this orange box. This turned out so pretty, y'all. Perfect for fall. It's just amazing to me how much of a difference washi tape makes. It just makes a huge difference. I'm kind of feeling like I want to try to lift this base up and make this washi go all the way underneath it. Uh-oh, I'm going to rip my page. All right, so we're going to remedy that. I'm going to have to use some glue to glue that down, but it's okay. We'll remedy that in just a minute after I lay the washi down. I really think my tweezers are what causes my paper to tear. I think the tweezers tear the paper and then the sticker just goes with it and rips the rest of it. But this will be fine. Okay. That looks better to me with it going all the way across. And then I feel like I need a little bit of the green over here. That way all of my lines go all the way across. So let's just take the green and put a little tiny piece in between these two boxes. It's going to be tedious. There. Look how cute that is, y'all. It just turned out so pretty. Okay, so let's put it back on my discs and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram as well. Again, these stickers and all of my new winter and Christmas collection are available in my shop. 50% off, no code needed. There's also dashboards and covers over there for winter and Christmas 2024. The code for 20% off of the dashboards and covers is all capital letters, Winter Love, so WINTERLOVE. You can use that at checkout and still get the 50% off the stickers. You don't have to do a separate order. So website is pleasantlyplanned.com. Y'all let me know in the comments below what you picked up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.